your first $500 per day profit with TikTok affiliate marketing as a beginner with faceless channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show in 6 minutes exactly what I'm doing behind the scenes to make money online with affiliate marketing in 2025, and it's going to be in depth. Okay, so this is really in-depth video, so stay until the end so you can see exactly how this is done. You see, if you go on ClickBank, let's say, and you choose the product that's paying at least $50 to $200 or $300 per sale, you can get really great results. Why? Because when we are promoting some products on ClickBank, on TikTok, right, with traffic, what we are actually doing is we want to look for a high quality product that has a great upsell take rate. Why? Because if the whole funnel value is $300, it means from one customer you can make 200 or 300 US dollars. Okay, now you can see I had 3,000 profile views in 1 week, in only 7 days, 191,000 video views, and I have 1 week on, 1 week off ad strategy, meaning I will be running ads for 7 days every day, and then I will off the ads and organic free traffic. Okay, I'm still going to get affiliate sales. Why? Because you can see people are engaging, they like it, they share. Almost 1,000 comments in 7 days on this video for the weight loss offer and also manifestation offer on ClickBank, and 68 shares, free referrals. So see, people love it, they engage with the content, and that's important. TikTok is native advertising, it meaning it must feel natural, like UGC videos, right? That's why this works. And people are in the buying state, and they have the core emotional state is they're in the buying state. There is the buying intent. What do you mean by that? It means if I wake up in the morning, I will not go on Facebook to buy some product for weight loss. No. But on TikTok shop, there are already people buying products every single day, watching even live videos for hours. So people go on TikTok, they know they're going to see some ads. They know they will be presented with some offer to buy. It's natural. Okay? But you have to understand details. Now, before I go into it, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram. You can see I traveled now to over 65 countries. Thanks to being super affiliate, thanks to having time freedom to travel everywhere around the world I want, as you can see over here, right? So I've been to so many places. You can reach out to me later and talk to me if you have any questions. Now, let's go straight into it, okay? Let me show you over here why everyone else is doing it wrong, right? The problem is that with most funnels, if you buy courses for 3,000 or 6,000 US dollars on ClickBank from any gurus, right? The problem is that they don't create intent. What do I mean by that? If you bought any course, you know they're gonna give you some templates where you have some ugly, weird images, and then what happened, my friend? You don't get sales. Your ad account gets shut down on Google, and it's not your fault. The reason is that the method itself is outdated. It used to work a few months ago or 2 years ago, but now it's outdated. So my friend, as you watch this video right now, you have to understand you need to capture not only curiosity, because if you have attention without intention, you get 0 sales. But if you have attention with intent, buying intent, you're gonna get sales automatically. Simple as that. Okay? Because most affiliates who are newbies, who don't have any experience at all, they try to sell to those who are ready to buy. And mostly this is just 3%. 30,000 people out of 1 million are ready to buy right now. The others are not in the problem state. The job of affiliate, super affiliate like me, is to put people into the problem state with our ad copy, pre-sale pages, and move them through timeline by decision-making funnels, by functional questions on quiz funnels, into the solution state where they naturally buy now, right? So that's the most important thing. Now the next thing is, as I said before, right? Everyone is competing for those sellable people, those who are the buyers, to 1% to 3% of the audience who is ready to buy now, right? Because they don't know else. They don't know how to exactly do the deep marketing. Okay? So when I work with my clients, students, one-on-one, over the Zoom calls, this is what we do. We connect one-on-one, hand-holding. I show exactly which products I'm promoting, which are working for us, proven offers, setup done for you website, funnel with functional questions. This is what matters. Okay? Because the most quiz funnels, if you buy any course for 3K, 5K, you will see there is just like normal questions. Are you male? Are you female? Yes, those are the questions, but those are not functional questions. They don't do anything. They don't change the mindset. There is no mindset shift. And that's what's important if you want to make money online in 2025. You need someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand-holding you along the way. Okay? If you already knew how to make money, you would be watching this YouTube video. But you don't. And it's not your fault. The reason you don't know is because you tried all these other courses, you bought all these other programs that never taught you the real secret of affiliate marketing, which is not only psychology of marketing, but also the deeper layers. Understanding who is your audience, what do they want, where they live, what are the timelines that are shifting in between. You don't have to learn all this. All this can be done together with you if you have at least 20 to 30 minutes per day. You don't have to show your face on TikTok. You also do it with Facebook ads and Google ads. In this case, I'm talking about TikTok affiliate marketing, okay? So most funnels, what they do, they identify customer. Are you male, female? Do you want to lose weight? Do you have diabetes, cancer? Do you have back pain? They don't do anything, those questions. You can see they don't have any purpose behind. They don't have any idea. There is no big idea. There is nothing. The difference, what we do differently is we create the customer. That's why we don't have to compete with others. Because everyone else is competing for this small section of people. What I do differently, what our team do differently is we help you to find that 97% of people, put them into the problem state and move them into the solution state. And that is where naturally buying is happening. Right? You have to understand this, okay? Example, how you can make, if you're spending $20 per day, let's say on Facebook ads or TikTok, $20 per day, for example, and you can make on this is the dating product for females on ClickBank. Let's say you make $260 per customer, $216 per sale. You see, with one customer, let's say you get only 100 clicks. Out of 100 clicks, let's say only 10 people come to your ClickBank video sales letter, ClickBank checkout page. Out of 10 people, one person buy, you make $216. How much have we spent? $20 in one day. Do you see why this is very important now? Because once you get this, once you see the bigger picture, you'll naturally be able to finally start having results in 2025. It's easy once you see the bigger picture and once you have someone who can finally help you one-on-one and hand-holding you one-on-one step by step. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know later. But just one buyer can 10x your ad spend, as I showed you before. One full funnel buyer who bought all the upsells and downsells can make you $200 to $300 in a day. Okay? So you can see the math over here, right? For scaling. So that's important, okay? We are not selling to AI, to ChatGPT, no. Yes, that's helpful. But what you need is real human being, relationship with the person who can help you see what you cannot see, what is right in front of your nose. So if you want to get results in 2025, if you're not excuse maker, if you're not procrastinating, do let me know. Let's connect. I have my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger. There is free Facebook group when I'm sharing deeper insights of marketing for free. But if you're really serious to take it to the next level, work one-on-one and get fast results, spending 30 minutes per day to 20 minutes, and this is something for you, let me know. There's my WhatsApp number, my email, my Instagram. You can follow me, you can DM me. But please, only if you're serious, if you really want to move forward right now and get better results. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.